Good day, everyone. I am Midshipman Alianza Ambross Fern of Section BARIUM. Today, we will identify the process of events which takes place in 4-stroke cycle and 2-stroke cycle diesel engine. And we will explain the method of charging. Let's find out. This is the 4-stroke diesel engine. A 4-stroke is an internal combustion engine in which pistons completes 4 separate strokes while turning the crankshaft. A stroke refers to the full travel of the piston along the cylinder in either direction. The 4 strokes are termed intake, compression, power, and exhaust. Letter A represents as the intake. Intake, also known as the induction or suction. These strokes of the pistons begins at the top dead center and ends at the bottom dead center. In these strokes, the valve must be open position while the piston pulls an air-fuel mixture into the cylinder by producing vacuum pressure into the cylinder through this downward motion. The piston is moving down as air is being sucked in by the downward motion against the piston. Letter B, or the number 2 process of 4-stroke cycle engine, is called compression. These strokes begins at the bottom dead center or just at the end of the suction stroke and ends at the top dead center. In these strokes, the piston compresses the air-fuel mixture in preparation for ignition during the power stroke. Both in the intake and the exhaust valves are closed during this stage. Compression means it compresses the air-fuel mixture in preparation for ignition during the power stroke. Letter C, or the third process of 4-stroke cycle, is called power or combustion. It is also known as the ignition. This is the start of the second revolution of the 4-stroke cycle. At this point, the crankshaft has completed the full 360-degree revolution. While the piston is at the top dead center, the compressed air-fuel mixture is ignited by a spark plug in a gasoline engine or heat generated by high compression in diesel engine. Forcefully, it returns the piston at the bottom dead center. This stroke produces mechanical work from the engine to return the crankshaft. The letter D, or the last part of the process in 4-stroke cycle, is called exhaust, also known as the outlet. During the exhaust stroke, the piston once again returns at the bottom dead center to top dead center while the exhaust valve is open. This action expels the spent air-fuel mixture through the exhaust valve. Today, we will identify the process of events which takes place in the 2-stroke cycle diesel engine. A 2-stroke diesel engine or 2-stroke cycle engine is a type of internal combustion engine that completes a power cycle with 2 strokes or up and down motions of the piston during the power cycle. This power cycle is being completed in 1 revolution of the crankshaft. It means
in a 2-stroke engine, the end of the combustion stroke and the beginning of the compression stroke happen simultaneously, while the intake and exhaust or scavenging function occurring at the same time. 2-stroke engines often a high power to weight ratio, power being available in a narrow range or rotational speeds called the power band. 2-stroke engine have fewer moving parts than 4-stroke engine.
the last part of our assessment, we will explain the method of charging. There are 3 methods of charging. Number 1, charging by friction. The charging by friction process involves rubbing of one particle on another, resulting in electrons moving from one surface to another. Number 2 is charging by conduction, and the last is charging by induction. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Midshipman Alianza Ambross Fern of Section BARIUM. Thank you and keep safe, everyone.